Hey, this is Crypto Cruise once again with Coin Financial. Just want to give a quick Bitcoin price update or the crypto market update since Bitcoin is the driver. So when Bitcoin goes up, everything tends to go up. When Bitcoin goes down, everything in the crypto market tends to go down as well. So it is the driver. So that's why we always look at the price action of Bitcoin. Okay. Um, I did a few TikTok shorts and everything. And also, I posted the TikTok shorts on YouTube as well, on the YouTube Reels or YouTube Shorts. So what I talked about in the past few days was this spike when I told y'all when we go to the past. I told you when we broke this purple line right here. Let's make it. We're in the 4-hour chart, by the way. I always like to start in the 4-hour chart because it's somewhat in the middle between the long term and the short term, and you can see quite a whole lot, from because this chart here is dating back to what, October 16, right? So it's about a month's worth of candlesticks, right? So we broke up to the upside on this ascending triangle. Like I said, there was a higher probability that we were going to do that, and we did. We broke up. We figured out where we were at before or on November 3rd, right here, right? We were following the trend going up above that purple line. So sure enough, we also respected this blue line that I drew out, and we're still respecting that till right now, actually. So yeah, we did break up, and I said we were going straight up to 38K, and look where we landed a few days ago. We went straight up all the way up to 38K, right? To be exact, about 37,950 around there, but nonetheless 38K went all the way back down. Didn't quite touch our blue line, but went all the way back down and then went back up, and now we're here at around 37,200, 37,100. Okay, so where are we gonna be now? So the price update again. I'm actually not making this up. Nobody really talked about the 38K. Everyone was talking about 40K, 42K, this and that. You know, I just saw 38K because if you zoom out, let's go to the weekly chart. I just want to show y'all this. If you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out. Also, if you want to have a clear, uh, you know, a clear path, a clearer path, just zoom out and look to the left, right? All I did was I looked at touch points. There were so many points at 38K is the most, right? Right here, you could clearly see it, right? Even if you go to the 1 day chart also, let's look at the 1 day. You could probably most likely see that a whole lot better too. And then you just go back right here, right? You can clearly see that 38K is huge. Look, this was in our bull market, 2021 bull market, right? Look how many times that 38K level got touched, got rejected there, rejected there, rejected there, rejected. No, actually, we broke up and then it became support. And then we played around it here. You see all of that touch points, right? And then I mean there's definitely look, I accidentally moved my 38K level. um but we're gonna keep it there. I'll rearrange that again later. But actually no, we need that. Let me fix it real fast. All right, that's as close as I can get it to 38K for now. um but as you can see, I'm gonna try to not touch any that green line anymore to accidentally move it. But yeah, there's so many touch points right there, right there, right there. And over here it got supported as a support line. It's just right there as well. This is all zoomed in, by the way, on a daily chart. You see that? Yeah, that's all I did. Now we're gonna go back to the weekly chart again to zoom out to see it clear again. And there it is, right? That's where we are, 38K. You see it? All right. And then we're going to zoom back into our 4 hour. All right. So here we are. We're back again at the 4 hour chart, like what we were looking at. And where are we headed? Okay. What do I see? Now, 4 hour again, I like to start there, but in order to see in the short term where we're headed, because now we're actually talking about the short term, we're talking about maybe in a few hours or a day or so, right? I'm gonna go to the 1 hour chart, and I actually see something very interesting here. Okay, in the 1 hour chart, look at this right here. I'm gonna draw this trend line because what I see here, let's see. Oh, I need to, where's my magnet? Make the magnet stronger so we can actually get to the lines that we need. Trend line right here. Got it. All the way down here. You look at that. Do you see it now? Couldn't see it before, huh? But now I'm drawing it, do y'all see it now? There it is. And then we're gonna go down here. This just takes practice, guys. The more you do this, the more you start just seeing it right off the bat. You see that right there? Isn't that crazy? I'm not making this up. I just draw it as I see it. That's all it is. So we have right here a symmetrical triangle. Okay, now that we've drawn that up, right, we can even take a closer look right there. Now that we've drawn that up, we can zoom out and see what is going on. I mean, zoom in, sorry. We're going to go to the 15-minute chart now and zoom in and see what's going on. So what we are looking for is a break to the downside. And it looks like we may actually break to the downside. Look at that on the shorter time frame, 15 minutes, right? Looks like we're starting to break to the downside. We need to confirm it still though. So how long do we have to confirm this? Okay, each of this candle is 15 minutes, so 4 candles represents an hour. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have about 2 hours left before we actually, like, we have to confirm this in pretty much 2 hours or less. Okay, so, and it looks like it's breaking down right now. Actually, it's not confirmed yet. It could make a wick by going right back up, but as we speak now, this video, I said it was going to be short, but it may take longer because we are actually seeing action at the moment. It's breaking to the downside at the moment. So now what happens if we do confirm this break to the downside? Where are we headed? Okay, I mean, you can already see it. I've already drawn it out for you. Where are we headed? Right there on that blue line, of course. Again, I told you it's still respecting it, right? So we may be headed to down here. I would say, I mean, we can't go straight down. That'd be crazy if that red line just goes straight down. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way, so we can't go straight down in 15 minutes. I would say let's go to the 1 hour chart. Okay. We may play around here, right? But if we confirm this break to the downside, we're going to be stuck here, possibly moving sideways. So the longer we prolong this, the higher our target is on the dip. But I'm going to call it, again, look to the left. Where is the touch point, the major touch point? There's one right here. There's one right here. And then we go to the right to the future. Maybe we'll end up somewhere around here. And then those two major touch point, do you see it now? Okay, if you want, I can draw a horizontal line right here for y'all. Okay, I'm just gonna draw it right there. All right, So here we are. Here we are right there. I got the green line moved to where I wanted it. Touch point there, touch point there. Those are two major touch point, and of course we played around a little bit over here. So it crossed the blue line and the green line that I have drawn out. It crossed right there. So 35,900. I'm just gonna say 36,000. Okay, that's our target. Now to zoom out, we've already drawn up our line in the shorter time frame. Let's go back to that 4 hours, see how that actually looks. I see something very funny here, guys. It's so crazy. All right. So our blue line is right here where the orange line is. Our green line is right here. The orange line is pointing up. So there's a high probability this orange line, this is actually a moving average right here that I did not draw. This is a moving average that does itself automatically, but it's going up. And sure enough, I have a feeling it's going to end up right around here. So, and usually the candle price likes to go in that middle line, that orange line, that moving average right there. So this is my Bollinger Band, by the way. The Bollinger Band automatically draws out this three line, the two yellow bottom top and the orange line in the middle. Okay, and price actually usually like to go back down to that orange line. And sure enough, if we look at the future, this two cross right here, and then that orange line is going to end up right here. We're going to 36K, guys. That's it. That's my tech analysis for today. I hope this helps. I hope you learned something. If you like this type of content, again, please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll definitely help out the channel. It'll help it grow. I'll be able to start making better and better and better content with more quality, right? Just support it. That's all I ask. Share it with someone. Maybe it'll help somebody as well. Share it with at least one person. All right. But until next time, that's what we're looking for. It looks like we're breaking to the downside. Let's go one more time again right here. Where are we at? All right. Yes, it looks like we're breaking to the downside, guys. There's a high probability that we are going down to 36K again. Okay. But again, that's just a pullback. It's a normal pullback, guys. Nothing to worry about. We're not most likely not gonna head to another bear market until a long time from now, but pull back to 36K. All right. If you'd like to learn how to do all this stuff, look at the description down below. I have a free crypto training down below in the description link. Just click on that link. And if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any questions. All right. Until next time, bye bye.